This is the Umidigi Z2, Umidigi's best flagship smartphone till date. Taking a look into the front of the phone, Umidigi Z2 has got a notch design that reminds me of the iPhone X. Although Umidigi Z2 has a bigger 6.2-inch display with 90% screen to body ratio. The front also has a 16+8 megapixel dual camera setup and a few sensors for the Face ID. Now flipping it over to the back, Z2 has a 16+8 megapixel dual camera setup at the top center, followed by a fingerprint sensor and dual tone LED flash to the left of the camera, and an Umidigi branding at the bottom center. From the back, I have to say Umidigi Z2 is a complete beauty, especially gradient, twilight and phantom colors, where Nordic Aurora meets advanced transparent glass body, making it even more gorgeous and attractive. The Umidigi Z2 comes with a 6.2-inch full-screen Full HD Plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio, providing a resolution of 1080 by 2246 pixels. The screen is based on third-generation screen technology, which Umidigi claims to provide superior color accuracy. Now taking a look into the camera department, Umidigi Z2 comes with not 2 or 3 but 4 cameras. It is a quad camera device. 2 pairs of 16+8 megapixel sensors, one at the front and the other pair at the back of the phone. Both the front and rear camera setups are capable of taking fantastic photos as expected from a dual camera setup. The second 8 megapixel sensor is designed to shoot in low light, so the photos taken in low light conditions are good looking as well. Now jumping straight into the specifications, Umidigi Z2 comes with a MediaTek Helio P23, which is a quad-core Cortex A53 64-bit processor clocked at 2 GHz that ensures smooth performance, coupled with an ARM Mali G71 LP2 GPU clocked at 770 MHz, which is claimed to increase gaming and video performances and simultaneously reducing the power consumption by 25% as compared to the previous generation. Umidigi Z2 houses 6GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM and internal storage of 64GB that can be expanded up to 256GB with a microSD card. Like the Umidigi S2, Umidigi Z2 comes with Face ID as well. Face ID in Umidigi Z2 uses the most advanced algorithm to speed up the unlocking process. It is rather secure and rapid, and it cannot be fooled by a photograph. It is designed to work indoors, outdoors, and even in darkness thanks to the 8 megapixel low light sensor. Another great thing that makes Umidigi Z2 special is that it is compatible with all leading global 4G LTE bands, that is, it supports 7 network modes and 36 global bands. Moreover, it supports 4G LTE in both the SIM slots simultaneously. That ensures faster data transmission and more reliable connection, making it ideal for business travels. Talking about the battery, Umidigi Z2 comes with a 3850 mAh battery, which may not be sufficient to provide power for full day of usage in a single charge. If you are a heavy user, more into gaming and high-resolution videos, the battery won't last too long. But Umidigi has a fantastic solution to this. The Z2 comes with 18-watt fast charging technology. That is, the charger provides an output of 9 volts and 2 amps that ensures lesser charging time. Other features of Umidigi Z2 includes nano SIM cards and microSD card slot, Bluetooth 4.0, Bluetooth HID, 5G Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Wi-Fi display, GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, P sensor and L sensor, USB Type-C, separate headphone jack adapter, etc. Umidigi Z2 comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and may receive an Android P update in near future. So this was the Umidigi Z2, a 2018 bezel-less beauty. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such content. You can also check out the Umidigi S2 Lite smartphone at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.